Stormy, but not a soaker. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We do have a storm system coming for today and into Saturday as well. However, it's not going to be a washout either day. This morning, only about 10% of our morning will be wet. In fact, I think some of you will be completely dry here. Into the afternoon, that total goes up a little bit, but it's not until between 4 to 6 p.m. that steady periods of rain come. It's going to last for the evening, that's for sure. And then after midnight, it does taper down. And in fact, tapers down for a good portion of our Saturday morning. Only about 20% of our morning will be wet, and then we go into the afternoon. 30% of your afternoon does look wet. We will have coastal flooding to deal with in some spots. Cape May and Atlantic County specifically. I think Cumberland and Ocean are okay. We're just getting into minor flood stage. Move your cars a block if you need to. There will be some areas with water on it, especially in the really susceptible areas like West Atlantic City or getting over to Ventnor Heights or even North Wildwood, but overall not a big deal. We have seen much worse here this year. For Friday, temperatures 55 on the mainland, 51 at the shore, between 5 to 10 degrees above average for this time of year. 4-hour Friday. Shower not ruled out after 10 a.m., but the steadier stuff doesn't come until night falls. Daytime planner, outdoor decorating and construction, things that take a couple of hours. You'll have some issues with the rain. Not saying you can't do it, but just be aware of that. If you're going for a run or doing some in and out shopping here, you should be okay, of course. Enough time for that. And of course, getting to the stores, the roads will be a-okay. We have the Christmas parade coming up on Saturday in Atlantic City. The key message is it is not wet the entire time. Between 1 to 8 p.m., there will be rain. However, it's only going to be for between 2 to 4 hours during that time. So it is entirely possible, for example, that the rain doesn't come until 4 p.m. and it lasts till 6, leaving our parade dry. Still, it's not going to look the nicest. It will be cloudy, but it will be on the milder side. A west-southwest wind will help keep us, again, about 10 degrees above average. Then we're going way forward, all the way close to Christmas Eve here. This is December 22nd and 23rd. This is our pressure map, and this is the ensembles, which is one model run with just slightly different variables to give us a good range of what could happen. Look at where our low pressure is. It is pretty much right east of what we call the benchmark for a nor'easter. That's where the benchmark is, right there. When you have storms pass east of there, they can either, of course, go out to sea and we don't see anything, or in specifically South Jersey's case, it's far enough east where we get the cold air to come in, and then we see all snow. I'm not saying this is definitely going to happen, but do be aware for some nor'easter potential right before the holiday season. High pressure will be to our west, and that's an Arctic high pressure at that. So maybe not a white Christmas, but at least it's going to be a cold Christmas time. That's what it's looking like right now. Here's our 7-day forecast. Let's get you to the other side of the rain. 52 on Sunday here. 26 Sunday night, so seasonable. Cooler on Monday with a wintry mix that does develop, but it turns to rain, so I'm not anticipating major issues during the day on Monday. And you see that sunshine for the first half of the day, so not a complete stormy day either. Tuesday we'll see rain as we do see warmer temperatures, but they do crash throughout much of the day Tuesday, so that 54 might be real early. And then we go into Wednesday and Thursday, chillier but drier. Have a great weekend, everybody. I will be off for much of the day today, so we will be updating you on social media, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, or you can find our website at thepressofac.com/weather.